the fascinating world of axolotls, nature's adorable and mysterious ambassadors. Welcome to the incredible world of axolotls, the tiny, smiling creatures that have captured the hearts of animal lovers everywhere. Whether you're a seasoned axolotl enthusiast or hearing about these amazing amphibians for the first time, this video is going to take you on a deep dive into the life, history, and unique biology of these fascinating animals. Axolotls, often called Mexican walking fish, are not actually fish at all. They are a type of salamander, native to the lake complex of Xochimilco near Mexico City. These creatures are famous for their ability to stay in their larval stage throughout their entire lives, a phenomenon known as neoteny. But there's so much more to these little guys than just that. Stick around as we explore everything from their incredible regenerative abilities to their role in scientific research and their status as critically endangered species. First things first, let's talk about what axolotls are and where they come from. Scientifically known as Ambystoma mexicanum, axolotls belong to the group of amphibians, but unlike their relatives, they don't typically undergo metamorphosis. Instead of transitioning to a terrestrial lifestyle like other salamanders, axolotls retain their juvenile features throughout their lives. This unique trait is called neoteny. Neoteny means that axolotls keep their larval characteristics, such as gills and a fin tail, even as they reach adulthood. It's one of the reasons why axolotls have such a distinctive and cute appearance. Those feathery gills make them look like they're always smiling. Axolotls come in a variety of colors, ranging from the wild type, which is usually a dark brown or black with specks, to albino, leucistic, golden, and even blue. Their appearance can vary widely depending on their genetics, but no matter the color, they all share that charming, slightly goofy smile. But what makes axolotls truly extraordinary is not just their appearance, but their ability to regenerate. Axolotls have an almost supernatural ability to regenerate lost body parts. And we're not just talking about a missing tail or a toe. Axolotls can regrow entire limbs, spinal cords, hearts, and even parts of their brains. This regenerative ability is a subject of intense scientific interest, as researchers hope to unlock the secrets of axolotl regeneration to apply to human medicine. In labs around the world, axolotls are studied to understand how they can regenerate with such precision. When an axolotl loses a limb, cells at the wound site dedifferentiate, meaning they lose their specialized characteristics. These cells then form a structure called a blastema, which acts as a sort of regeneration factory, churning out new cells that eventually form a new limb, perfectly matching the one that was lost. Imagine being able to regrow a hand, complete with bones, muscles, nerves, and skin, exactly like the original. This is the power of the axolotl. Scientists believe that by studying axolotls, we could one day unlock the potential for regenerative medicine in humans. This could revolutionize the treatment of injuries and degenerative diseases, leading to breakthroughs in how we heal from trauma. But axolotls are not just important to science, they hold a significant place in Mexican culture and history. The name axolotl comes from the Nahuatl language, spoken by the Aztecs, and it means water monster or water dog. In Aztec mythology, the god Xolotl, who was associated with lightning and death, is said to have transformed into an axolotl to avoid being sacrificed. This connection to ancient mythology gives axolotls a deep cultural resonance in Mexico, where they are considered a symbol of resilience and survival. Despite their cultural importance and scientific value, axolotls are critically endangered in the wild. The lakes and canals of Xochimilco, their natural habitat, have been severely degraded due to urbanization, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species. This has led to a dramatic decline in the wild axolotl population, with some estimates suggesting that fewer than 1,000 individuals remain in their natural habitat. Efforts to conserve the axolotl are ongoing, with scientists, local communities, and conservationists working together to protect and restore the canals of Xochimilco. This includes breeding programs, habitat restoration, and public education campaigns aimed at raising awareness about the importance of preserving these unique creatures. Captive breeding programs have been quite successful, and as a result, axolotls are commonly kept as pets around the world. However, it's important to remember that keeping an axolotl as a pet requires specific care to ensure their health and well-being. They need clean, cool water, a diet rich in protein, and an environment that mimics their natural habitat as closely as possible. With the right care, axolotls can live up to 15 years in captivity. Watching axolotls is a delight for any animal lover. They're curious, engaging, and sometimes even a little playful. Despite their delicate appearance, they're surprisingly robust when kept in the right conditions. They might seem shy at first, but over time, many axolotls become quite interactive, especially when they know it's feeding time. Axolotls are carnivorous and thrive on a diet of worms, insects, and small fish in the wild. In captivity, they're often fed a diet of bloodworms, brine shrimp, and specially formulated pellets. Their diet plays a crucial role in their health and longevity, so it's important for pet owners to ensure their axolotls are getting the right nutrients. One of the most endearing things about axolotls is the way they eat. They have a suction feeding method, which means they simply open their mouths and suck in their food, almost like a little vacuum. This makes feeding time both efficient and adorable to watch. But beyond their cuteness, axolotls have an important message for us. Their endangered status in the wild serves as a reminder of the fragility of ecosystems and the impact humans have on the environment. The story of the axolotl is not just one of biology or mythology. It's a story about conservation and the urgent need to protect the natural world. As we learn more about axolotls, we're reminded of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. These little creatures, with their extraordinary abilities and unique life cycle, are a testament to the wonders of evolution. They show us that even the smallest, most overlooked animals can have a huge impact on science, culture, and our understanding of life itself. So next time you see an axolotl, whether it's in a pet store, an aquarium, or online, take a moment to appreciate just how special they are. From their charming appearance to their unparalleled regenerative abilities, axolotls are truly one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of axolotls. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And if you want to help axolotls in the wild, consider supporting conservation efforts or even adopting one as a pet. Just make sure you're ready for the responsibility. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world. Who knows what amazing creatures we'll discover next?